a phone in the car a ring. Clothes and skirt. Hello? Yeah. What about my general? Well, I tell you, say, at the party we I come back from, I tell you, say, the party shot. The party nice. The party hope. I tell you, yeah, man. Me liquor we a beat. Yeah, man. Yep, and the one catty there where they want bring down the man. Why I never get fish bring the catty at all. But me I tell you say when we go down there at the party, me I tell you say a big girl party full of big girl. You look like them girl there lonely. Because me want to know how so much woman come out a party. And no man, when I time when me look a beer man me see over the corner and the girl them just over there so me and skinny and you know and so just go over there and start lyrics them up and thing like that and draw them over on our side, and a beer liquor we a beat. Right me I tell you say skinny check for skinny there because he mash up to rat he burn out with liquor. Yeah man.
Oh my God.
Yeah man, we a beat liquor hard man. Right me I tell you say me uneasy, me not even feel too good, me feel all dizzy right you talk to me. Yeah man, me all asleep. I talk and I sleep right because I tell you say, party them man, the party have me weak. And when we see all the girls them them white, them look, me I tell you say them stay well as me did I tell you already man. But I don't know Jamaica, come like Jamaica, the best girl them, the shape good girl them, the look good girl them man. Yeah man. The whole night I just see girls them me I pray. Just I go and fat me I all go to over the place. Yeah man, it's like me have on binacles man. And I spy them out. Cause say me a girls man long time, Yeah man. Yes. Right all me ears feel like a cock through the breeze, on the highway. Yeah man. Me, you hear me I go. Yeah man. you see when me hit my bed. Why me don't even know, I don't even want nobody call me right now. As me reach home on my phone me I put on, no disturb. Because I don't want nobody to disturb me. I don't answer no phone man. Yeah man. And if mom's even want to call me, me not even answer she right because I tell you say, yeah man, the party they mash me up. Yeah man. No, you sound so like you did a smoke and thing and all them thing. No man, we don't do smoking man. We don't smoking thing. I just a liquor thing, but the breeze man, the breeze. You don't know when you drive on the highway man and the breeze get in your ears and thing like that. Yeah man, I eat. Yeah man, but me good man, me good. Yeah man, but the one skinny they mash up. Touch skinny there man, touch him. Yeah man, wake him up man. Man can't sleep, a big man like that man, just mash up so man. Yeah man. But you don't know we are ready. When we go a party and beat the liquor hard, we don't know we bedded from we bed right now me don't even know how me a balance up. Yeah man. Me hardly a balance right now. Not me can't even see too good. Right now me not even a see good. It's a good thing say when they get a good decent, car man, for car we go at the party. Yeah man, me I tell you say it's a water the man drink. A sparkling water. Not even a liquor. The man not tasting no star. Them man are good still, Me never know them man are still there about, when I beat liquor, Man said no, him is not a church man, but him not too, bother with the liquor business, Yeah man, cause through a drive, him drive, Him can't afford to drink and drive, Yeah man, because more time people are go a party, I in them check, cause due to all them know say him not drink, Yeah man. Yeah. So more time me make a big money off of that, cause the party go at them know say him not drink. Yeah man, I just like a little sparkling water and things like that, I just water, them thing them beat. Or cranberry water and, it's a water man, it's a water man, yeah. But me I tell you say, me hide them, me can't hide this out of me hide them, brethren. But you call the man now for a long conversation and a long talking thing. And no say, man just all a come from the party and me kind of want to sleep, man. Tomorrow we talk, man. Brother, how you move so, man? Eh? If you don't want to come my party, come, man. What kind of idiot thing that you call, man, in at 2 o'clock at night, if you ask, man, how party go? Brother, hey, me this you up, Sure, better you just ease yourself and tomorrow we talk, yeah, man. Because me not understand what type of man you is, Brother, sure. I want to the man, yeah, man. Me not deal with you no way, brother, but me I tell you say me no feel too good, man. Cause the partying and me and the drinking and thing and me no feel too good. And you just have me on the phone, so man, you can't wait till tomorrow. Eh? I mean, I tell you, say, I'll skinny just lie down in the car, then they even too feel good. Because the amount of liquor we might drink. I remember, say, we drink liquor before we go at the party, And we go at the party again and I beat pay NSC and things like that, You understand? Come in, come down with a portion of money, To deal with the party business. Come in, did have a party for my mind, You understand? So, I them thing them, man, so. Tomorrow we talk, man. Tomorrow we talk. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah, man. Blows and skirt, yeah, call, man. Idiot thing. I don't know what type of man you is. Hello, man. And tomorrow we talk about the party. Sure, blouse and skirt. Sure. So, skinny. Wake up skinny there, man. Skinny. No, man. Them man you no figure a party at all. Them no understand themselves, man. Them no in the party business, man. Them only in a bag of talking business. You understand? So, driver. I want you well stop this so make me get a one leak there because me I tell you say the urinal full. You understand what me I tell you? The urinal full. Woo. Yes, driver, yes. I want the car, I want leak there and come back, Yeah, man. Yes. Yes. Alright. So we're on our way to Kingston now. Yes, on our way to Kingston. So reach. Yeah, man. With our ferry, I know. Yes, ferry we reach. Yeah, man. Yes. Let off Juba there. Let off Juba. Yes, yes. All right. See, I am on him still, you know. Yeah, I cut something on my video tomorrow. I'm link you up and give you. Yeah, man. All right, then, driver. Yes, blessed love driver. Yes, reach, reach, reach. I thank God. We have to give God thanks. Yeah, man, God is good. We go to the party and come back. Everything, all right, everything intact. Everything intact. Yeah, man, bless up, bless up. Please to like, subscribe, and share. You understand? This is not about mix up. It's not a mix up channel. This okay? This is about comedy. Nice, clean, informative. Yes, very funny. Yes. So we want you to like, subscribe, and share, and come back again where you can get more. Okay? You know, we all in this together, you understand? So let we build the thing, you understand? If you want to see the thing come alive, you know, a plant, we are plant it now. So if you want to see it mature and grow, you understand, from strength to strength, we all in it together. So, you know, just send up your support, it will be appreciated. Blessed love.